Microsoft officially retired Paint 3D back in November 2024. If you buy a new Windows 11 PC or format your current one, you won't find it pre-installed anymore. In fact, if you search for it in the Microsoft Store today, it's completely gone. In this video, I will show how you can install Paint 3D on your Windows 11 and keep forever. First, get access to your Windows 11 machine. Then open your favorite browser and download the file, link is in the description. Don't worry, this is official Microsoft Paint 3D installation pack. If you don't believe me, I highly encourage you to scan for virus of the downloaded file. After download's completed, open File Explorer and hop into Downloads folder. Then, right-click the APPX bundle file and click Install. Once the installation is complete, you are all set. However, it is a good idea to back up the APPX bundle files to a USB drive or your Google Drive. My download link may not always be active, and keeping a personal copy ensures you can reinstall the package in the future.